It was all a big mistake, never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends, I forgot that we had plans. So the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door. All my favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone.
Today is Friday. I want to say it's the 29th, and I'm just starting off my day like how I've been the last, 2 days? Or day, well, yeah, because yesterday was the first day of us actually waking up here. Just, after brushing my teeth, washing my face, I've been coming out on the balcony, and I got this book. I'll link it down below. It came from Amazon, but it's the 5-minute gratitude journal. And I got this just to remind myself every day of just little blessings, because sometimes we just always think about things that, it's like, oh, I want my life to be this way, or we're always trying to reach these goals, which, it gives us anxiety when we just always like, oh, I need this, I need this, I need that, and da-da-da-da. And then sometimes you just don't think about the things that you actually already have in life. So this helps me every single day. You basically write the date, and then it has 5 questions, and it just have you like kind of just brainstorming about little things in your life. And I highly recommend this. It just makes me think about the things that I should be thankful for. Today we are going ziplining. I think we have to be ready at 12. So like I said, I already brushed my teeth, washed my face and stuff. I'm gonna hop in the shower, and after I finish this and after I finish talking to y'all, I'm going to hop in the shower, put on my outfit. I'll show y'all what I'm wearing. My friend whose birthday it is, she has her own fitness apparel line, so I brung one of her like little 2-piece short set fitness sets that I'll be wearing for ziplining. So we're gonna go ziplining, and then once we come back from ziplining, we are having dinner. All right, see y'all when I'm showing y'all my outfit of the day.
Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice.
I am using the May Love sunscreen protector. I also have I think it's the Black Girl sunscreen. It's just I'm running out of that one, so I don't want to use all of that. My friend's fashion apparel, it's Fashion Mermaid. I don't know if she still have this set. I'm not sure if it's still available. I can ask her. If it is, I'll link it, but I'm not sure. But it has like this crisscross back detail. This is so cute. And they're just like some biker shorts, basically. If you could see me, I don't know if that was too far back, but it's some biker shorts, and it's just something that's like comfortable. We're about to be doing a lot of walking. I'm about to put on some socks, put on my Chuck Taylors. And yeah, I'm about to go downstairs, so I'll probably take y'all downstairs with me. About to go eat breakfast, and I need to finish doing this thing for Abercrombie. They're about to send me some jeans and tops, so I need to pick out the tops, the tops and jeans that they want to send, that they're gonna send me. My skin looks great. All right, let's go.
I apologize. So pick up your life. Every text I sent was read, so I know that you ain't dead. If you just let me explain, we can minimize the pain. So you're posting on the gram, I even tried to call your fam. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. All the things I would say just to make it up to you.
Maybe 10.
Zipline and turn up moment.
I know.
Like on the taxi man.
Them clouds looking a little dark.
Yeah.
Oh. Damn.
When I checked
Just
it,
right
it
here,
said
the
no
right.
storms.
That shit is crazy.
It said no All right, storms. so let's get the zip line and then.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, yeah.
And then we're going to head on right after these guys. It's just that everyone was kind of coming. Yeah.
So me and Liz can squeeze on both ends. Definitely use your seatbelts. We're gonna be going on like upside down, vertical, sideways, you know. Hey. The Honda's just reserved if you guys get in. Okay, we got a baby. Back to live points if you tell me what movie he referenced. Have fun storming the castle in Billy Crystal's voice.
It's a movie?
I
don't know.
You're over 50, right? Come on. My name is BJ. This is my lovely wife, Liz.
I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna.
That bird was scared. It's fuck. This beautiful view that we are looking at is amazing.
Wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning. I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love.
Alright y'all, so we just came back from ziplining, which was fun. Oh my god, it was so much fun. If you never zipline, you definitely have to do it. And if you come here, you definitely have to do it here because the views are amazing, which I took y'all along. So now we're about to go eat and bar hop, watch the sunset. So I didn't do a beat like how I really want to, like how I normally do. That's perfectly fine because we're on a time crunch. But I just had on the outfit that I already shot content in. Just this crop top and these high waist like denim shorts and my sandals. And then I also have, if you can see, this little cute little printed bag. So yeah. Now we're about to go downstairs to our you wearing heels? You said no? Oh, okay. Now we're about to go downstairs to our car. So yeah, I will see y'all where we get to when we get to our destination. We're going to dinner. Yes.
Planning on getting off, planning be riding
getting on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame burn out for a while.
I am back home. Well, you know what I'm talking about. We went to this restaurant. Oh my gosh, you honey, the view was to die for. It was beautiful. Our driver recommended it. I had the Creole snapper with plantains and vegetables, and then they had this like I think it was West Indian hot sauce. I took a picture of it. I'll pop it up. Y'all, when I get back to the DMV, I will be going to an international market looking for it because it's spicy. It has like a kick, but it's not like really hot, but it has a great flavor, especially for fish. So if you're a fish lover like I am, I definitely would try it on your seafood. It's delicious. Like I said, the view, the music. So y'all, they was playing like throwback R&B, and I don't know if y'all know, but that is my vibe. So they were playing that. We had, I had 2 glasses of champagne that was delicious, nice and cold and crisp. I am about to go to bed because this is tired. And sis been drinking some wine and some champagne. So yeah, it's time to go to bed. I love y'all. Besties, up bright and early. It is, I don't remember what time it is here. It's 8:35 here, and as you can see, I just woke up. I did my skin routine. I exfoliated. Your girl's skin looks great. I exfoliated, did all of that good stuff, and today is going to be a content day / later on we are going to be doing, I want to say, karaoke. And so the birthday girl wanted us to dress up like all sexy and do karaoke. If you haven't watched the first one, you want to watch the first one because you get a tour of the villa, and I talk a little bit more about where we're staying. This one, I'm not talking about all of that. However, I will still link everything down below. But so this vlog is basically, today we're going to stay in the villa all day. So I'm going to give you, basically show you behind the scenes of content creation. I have other content creators on this trip with me, so we're going to be taking each other's photos. And then, like I said, karaoke. And then tomorrow is a boat day, so we're going to be up bright and early with our bathing suits on because we going on a boat, baby. And then I'm not sure if we're going to do dinner yet. We talked about it. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started on this day. And honey, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment if you like affordable fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Okay. I'm getting ready to take some photos, so don't judge me, but the closet looks cray. I've been here for a few days already. And so this is the madness. Sorry, I'm not one of those people that like hangs up everything. But it looks crazy in here. But y'all about to get these looks. I'm about to be serving these looks. So y'all not even about to be tripping. I am about to steam some of these outfits. Put this stuff on so I can start taking these photos for y'all. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at irregular_wear so you can look at all of my outfit inspiration posts and all that good stuff. So yeah, but yeah, I'm about to take y'all with me.
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high.
Fun fact, I think this is my 6th month locking my hair. These are micro locks and I am obsessed. For those who don't know, this is actually my 2nd time locking my hair. So I had like really big thick locks. I'll probably pop up a picture, but I used to have big thick locks and I just was over it. Also, I shaved the side of my head when I had those, so I definitely was just over that like whole style. Dry, itchy scalp. And my scalp be dry and itchy, honey. Especially like when it's nice and hot. But anyway. So yeah, this is my 6th month anniversary with my hair. And I'm obsessed. Like, I'm just like, dog, I should have been done this. Done this. So, I want to show y'all the first outfit. I am wearing these Africa earrings that I got from like this hair pop-up shop. I'm wearing these fun, colorful bracelets. You know, summertime vacation is it's just all about fun looks. And then I'm wearing this little top that, it's like a versatile top that you can literally like tie several different ways. And let me see. Maybe you'll see it better here. They're long, but I like how long they are. So let me show you. They have like little pleats at the top, high waist, and they're wide leg. If they're still available, I will link them down below. This top I actually got from Amazon. I have 3 of them in different colors. I'm sure y'all have already seen this top, but I love it so much. I'm gonna put my ring on. I think I'm gonna carry a bag. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to wear, let me show y'all what shoes. I probably don't put on the shoes until I get downstairs, but I am, where'd they go? I'm gonna wear these shoes, like low-heeled strappy sandals. I'm obsessed. So cute. So, I mean, these are comfortable. I guess I can put these on up here. So we are headed downstairs. I got my tripod and I got my Bluetooth clicker. So these are essentials. Let me close my door because, hold on, it'd be like, what's some things called? Mosquitoes, and they're annoying. But definitely, like, if you are taking your own content, you definitely want to have a tripod and you want to have a Bluetooth clicker. I will link the ones that I use for my content down below. I literally never go nowhere without them. I love them so, so, so very much. So y'all already saw basically like a tour of this place in the last vlog. So if you didn't see it, make sure you go see it. I normally don't like taking pictures of right now because it's super sunny. However, I found some like shady spots. So today I'm gonna take pictures down here because I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna like let y'all kind of see how I take my own photos so that you know how to take yours as well. Alright, so I already have my camera set up. So when you take your own photos, you always want to make sure you're using your back facing camera because it's the best quality. Never use the front facing, although you can see yourself. I know that's great and all, but it's horrible quality to use your front facing camera. Always use the back. So I already set it to the dimensions how I want it to, and then I have it at the length that I want it. So I always kind of look and just make sure that it's basically how I want. So I have the trees that I want, I have the stairs that I want, and it's a vibe, honey. So I'm just gonna put y'all down here so y'all can see what I'm doing. Can you see me? Yep, y'all can see me. Here we go. Alright, so I already hooked up my Bluetooth clicker to make sure that it's working. This is one of the brand new ones that I bought. And then I'm going to do a few test shots, and that just make sure that you're like in frame and you basically like what you're taking before you take 500,000 photos. And so after you take like your first couple of shots, you just want to make sure that you're like in frame before you continue to take more. Perfect.
Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. You keep running away. Owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. You might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love.
So I just finished my first outfit, and so I'm about to go change into my second outfit, which I'm gonna take here. So we're just about to go back upstairs to the room so I can change my clothes or whatever. Yes, I have some other ones like that. Yes, thank you.
Okay, y'all with these insane mindsets. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, I love it. I love it. All right, y'all. So now we are in the second outfit. I'm going to kind of show y'all a little bit here. So I'm wearing these glasses that I got from Free People. And then this two-piece set was from Shein. I just wanted to open the door so you can really get like a really good like idea of it. But I'm pretty sure by the time this goes up, I would have already edited these pictures. So I'll pop up a picture of what the finished look is going to look like. I'm going to set y'all probably here so you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Yep, that was perfect.
Let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. There's something juvenile about your pretty face, but it seems so hard for you to know when you need space. I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste with yourself. Oh.
Yeah, we don't be playing about this content. Bring the whole ring light out. But first off, look at this view though. Like, it is gorgeous out here. It is a very hot day today. So this is my second look. I'm about to change it to my third look. And yeah. All right, y'all, I'm finished taking my pictures for the day, so I'm just about to go out and enjoy the pool. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. It's only probably gonna be a small clip because I'm running out of space. But here's my bathing suit. I'm doing a one shoulder, like neutral color bathing suit. Let me move away from the music so I won't get copyrighted. But I'm doing this neutral color bathing suit. And then I have this straw hat. And I have this high waist bottom. And I have some like, some lace little pants or whatever. So I'm about to go out and enjoy the pool with my girl. Content in the bottom. Everything.
Some content.
It's called batch creating.
Yes. Let me get this.
We just had a lit pool day, and now we're about to go back into the common area, which is like the like living room area, and we're about to have sexy sleepwear / lingerie karaoke. So I may or may not be able to show that because my girls, baby, my girls go all the way when you say sexy, and I'm not even gonna hold you. I got on something that's, it's not YouTube appropriate. I may show some, it just depends on how, like I said, how everybody is dressed. But if you're following me on Instagram and you're a part of my close friends, you're gonna have fun tonight. But yeah, so if not, I'm gonna try to like do some clips because I know we're gonna eat first and stuff, so. But I'm gonna try to do some clips, and then, yeah, it probably won't be that many.